Hey everyone! Most of you watching right now aren't actually subscribed to the channel. If you love staying on top of the latest tech trends and exclusive insights, hit that subscribe button right now. It's totally free, takes a second, and it helps us create even better content just for you. So, show some support and join the semantic tech community. Samsung fans, hold on to your seats because we've got some major news today. Samsung's best-kept secret for 2025 is finally out, and it's not just another Galaxy phone. We might be seeing the launch of a brand new model in the Galaxy S lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim. That's right, Samsung's about to change the game with a sleek and powerful new flagship. Let's dive into all the juicy details. So what started this entire hype? Recently, a Samsung 25 Slim model will pack some serious camera power, featuring Samsung's high-end 200-megapixel ultra camera from the S25 Ultra, while the other camera sensors might resemble those on the standard S25 and S25 Plus. The 200-megapixel ultra sensor sets the Slim apart. The name says it all. Galaxy S25 Slim is all about sleekness, quality, and pushing boundaries in design. Samsung aims to make this its most refined model yet, both in build and premium feel. Now let's talk pricing, and brace yourself, because this might surprise you. Rumor has it the S25 Slim could come with a price tag even higher than the S25 Ultra. Now, this isn't confirmed, but it would be a bold move by Samsung, especially since earlier this year, we saw leaks suggesting Apple's planning an iPhone 17 Slim for 2025 that could be the priciest in their lineup. Samsung is potentially one-upping Apple by being the first to launch this type of premium Slim model. With the Galaxy S25 lineup, we're looking at possibly the most packed and ambitious series Samsung has ever released. A standard S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and now a high-end S25 Slim. It's clear that Samsung is stepping up its game. Along with the Galaxy S25 Slim news, there's more exciting stuff on the horizon. Concept renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra from the team at Teco have been circulating, and they look incredible. From what we can see, these renders showcase potential colors and even sleeker design that truly feels like an evolution from the S24 Ultra. If these renders are close to the final design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be a serious head-turner. Samsung is putting its all into this lineup, so this Ultra model is going to be one to watch. And it's not just hardware that's getting an upgrade. Samsung is taking its AI capabilities to a whole new level with Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. With this new AI, Samsung plans to bring intelligent features like AI summaries that are unlike anything we've seen. The exciting part? Galaxy AI will be able to summarize notifications in multiple languages, unlike Apple Intelligence that's limited to English. Samsung's making big moves in AI, and Galaxy AI 2nd Gen will be an essential feature of the S25 series. Samsung's surprises don't end there. We're also hearing buzz about the 2nd Gen Galaxy Ring. According to sources from Korea, this next-generation wearable could arrive earlier than expected at Samsung's Unpacked event in 2025. While details are scarce, rumors suggest the Galaxy Ring 2 will come packed with brand new features. Samsung's definitely cooking up something exciting here, and we'll just have to wait and see what the future holds for this device. So there you have it, the biggest leaks on Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and beyond. Samsung is clearly gearing up for an epic 2025 with innovation across every corner of their product line. What do you think about the new S25 Slim model? And would you pay more for a thinner, sleeker design with an ultra camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Samsung has finally removed all doubts about a new Galaxy Z Fold model arriving this year. If the leaks hadn't convinced you yet, today's announcement confirms it. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is real and it's arriving soon. But now, the big question is, how does this special edition differ from the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which was released just a few months ago? One of the first differences between these two foldables is their availability. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in various markets around the world, the special edition might be harder to get. Samsung has only announced it in South Korea so far, with plans for it to reach China next. If you're in the West or other regions where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is sold, you may not see this special edition on store shelves anytime soon. Samsung describes the special edition as the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold ever made. Measuring just 10.6 millimeters when folded, it's slightly thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which comes in at 12.1 millimeters. Additionally, it weighs 236 grams compared to the Fold 6 239 grams. Not a huge difference, but notable for those who prioritize portability. When it comes to dimensions, the special edition is wider than the Fold 6, both when folded and unfolded. This difference gives it a broader display, making it more user-friendly for those who are used to regular smartphones. The unfolded dimensions of the special edition are 157.9, 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters, while the Fold 6 measures 153.5 x 132.6 x 5.6 millimeters. The wider design also leads to different aspect ratios. The special edition boasts a 2018 aspect ratio for its main display, while the Fold 6 uses a more traditional 4:3 ratio. This wider layout offers a slightly better experience for tasks like multitasking or viewing content. Samsung hasn't revealed much about any potential upgrades to the displays. However, we do know the special edition has an 8.0-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. In comparison, the Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.3-inch cover screen. Both phones likely support 120 Hz refresh rates, but Samsung hasn't confirmed this. In terms of durability, the special edition is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra protection and features a distinctive stripe pattern on the back. Its frame is made from armor aluminum, ensuring it stays tough against everyday wear and tear. One surprising difference is the lack of S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung confirmed this on their South Korean store page. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does support the S Pen, making it the better choice for fans of Samsung's iconic stylus, even though it requires a separate purchase and doesn't have a built-in slot for storage. If the S Pen isn't a priority for you, the special edition might still be appealing, but it's worth considering this omission before making a decision. Both phones pack serious power under the hood. They share the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which first appeared in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This powerful chip ensures that both devices can handle demanding tasks with ease. However, the special edition stands out by offering 16 GB of RAM as standard, whereas the Fold 6 comes with 12 GB. This extra RAM helps the special edition manage tasks like Galaxy AI more efficiently. The special edition also ships with 512 GB of internal storage, whereas the Fold 6 gives you options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. As for the battery, both models have a 4400 mAh unit, although Samsung hasn't mentioned if charging speeds differ between them. One of the most notable upgrades on the special edition is the primary camera. The special edition is equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera, compared to the 50-megapixel sensor on the Fold 6. This upgrade is significant and could be a game changer for those who prioritize photography on their foldable device. Other camera specs remain similar across both devices, including the telephoto lens and the 4-megapixel under-panel camera. The special edition also has an advantage when it comes to connectivity as it supports Wi-Fi 7. This feature is only found on a few other Samsung devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Fold 6 tops out at Wi-Fi 6E. Now, what about the price? The special edition will cost approximately $300 more than the Fold 6. In South Korea, the special edition will be priced at around $2,789,601 or $2,036, while the 512 GB Fold 6 goes for $2,388,101 or $1,743. Ultimately, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition brings some exciting upgrades like a larger display, 16 GB of RAM, and a 200-megapixel camera. But if S Pen support is important to you, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might still be the better choice. Either way, both of these foldables are top-tier devices, each with its own strengths.